Uh-oh. Is your chin naked and bare? Are you sick and tired of being mocked by all the cool kids for your lack of facial hair? You've tried every hair product and have contacted every hair growth agency, but nothing seems to work.
Every hair product used doesn't seem to work.
Do not worry, my dear citizen. We have the product for you. Introducing Chogrow, a bottle of ointment designed to stimulate your hair pores to promote growth in a safe and efficient way.
Wow, it really works.
It does indeed. With our newly engineered hair growth stimulant designed by only the world's top scientists, we guarantee you that you'll be the coolest kid in your non-existent group of friends. Here's a word from our scientists on how our product works.
So we start out with the equation dH over dt equals kh, with h being the length of the beard. We divide h on both sides so that we get 1 over h dH equals k dt after having moving dt to the right side. Then we get the integral of both of them. The result of the integral is ln absolute value of h equals kt plus c. And then we do e for both sides, so then it becomes h equals e to the power of kt plus c. E to the power of kt plus c equals e to the power of kt times e to the power of c. And since e to the power of c is a constant, we can change that to c e to the power of kt. Now we let big H, a new variable, equals the length of the beard before using Chogrow. H equals c e to the power of k times 0, since time is 0. 2h equals c times e to the power of k times 1, since it's 1 second after using Chogrow. So after 1 second, your length of the beard doubles. Now we equate the two equations, and we get 2c equals c times e to the power of k, and then cross out both sides of c to get 2 equals e to the power of k. And finally, we have k equals ln2, which is approximately 0.693, the magic number k to achieve our Chogrow.
But wait, there's more! Our specially patented canister, developed by our hard-working, diligent scientists at Chogrow Development Co., is designed to maximize the total yield of our product, allowing for the most efficient output that our growth stimulant has to offer.
It says here that a beard develops after a month. Well, I've finished mine, and after a month, I still don't have anything.
Do not fret, my perturbed customer. Our diligent scientists at Chogrow Development Co. have already formulated a complex equation to solve this baffling obstacle.
Let's find how far we can shoot Chogrow in 4 seconds. This, you can see, is the equation for the velocity of Chogrow. -2 times t squared plus 8t plus 5, and t being time in seconds. So we gotta do the integral of the equation to find the position at t equals 4. So we do the integral, obviously with dt, and the boundaries being 0 and 4. The result is -2 over 3t cubed plus 4t squared plus 5t, and the boundaries being 4 and 0. We plug them in, minus it. That means Chogrow can shoot 41.3 meters in just 4 seconds. Now let's find the maximum velocity of Chogrow. To do this, we have to derive the velocity equation. It equals -4t plus 8. We solve for t to make the equation equal 0. Obviously, t equals 2 to make it 0. We plug it into the original velocity equation to get the maximum velocity of 29 meters per second. That's fast!
29 meters per second. Wow, that's amazing! You know what else is amazing? The fact that our product is now no longer exclusive to facial hair, thanks to the genius of the scientists at Chogrow Development Co. Our ointment can now be applied to any flabby part of the body, allowing for muscle development in the designated spot. Here's how we achieve this.
In order to find the volume of the total muscle, here we have a graph of the Chogrow. The bicep itself is 12 centimeters with a height of 2 centimeters long. And so the equation for the blob Chogrow is -x squared over 16 plus 2. And we find x, which is positive and negative square root of 32. Next we find the volume, which is pi integral of the equation squared, with the boundaries being x, which is square root of 32, and negative square root of 32. After we integrate it, it equals to 24.136 cubic centimeters of solid muscle.
Are you still lonely, even with your masculine beard? Too sad to get up and make some friends with your new muscles? Well, not to worry, my dear friend. We at Chogro Development Co. have already considered this complex scenario. Our Chogro is equipped with its own personal buddy creator. Simply apply it to any inanimate object, and you'll get something like this. Wow, it really works! Tell me, Chogro Development Co. scientist, how is this even possible?
In order to find the volume of our pet, first we have the volume equation, 4/3 pi r cubed. Next we find the rate of change of the volume, which is 4 pi r squared dr over dt. At r equals to negative 2.5 t squared plus 2.5 t plus 3, with 3 being the initial radius. We have dr over dt equals to negative 5t plus 2.5. At t equals to 2.5, we have our volume being 200 centimeters cubic.
After t equals 0.5 seconds, your pet will begin to shrink exponentially until it is infinitely small and even negative. Therefore, do not apply Chogro to your pet for more than 0.5 seconds. Thank you.
The entire package of Chogro Miracle Ointment can be yours for just $69.99. And with another simple down payment of $19.99, we'll throw in a free box of Chono test prep.
Wow, it really works!
What are you waiting for? Buy today!